Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Fundrise for real estate investing, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin connecting with Fundrise for real estate investing, first, visit the Fundrise website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Next, verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link from Fundrise. Once your email is verified, log in to your new account. Proceed to complete your investor profile by providing details about your investment preferences. You may be asked about your risk tolerance, investment experience, and financial goals. After completing your profile, review the investment options available on the platform. Fundrise offers different funds, such as REITs and e-funds, tailored to various investment strategies. Explore the detailed descriptions of each fund to determine which aligns with your interests. Once you identify a suitable fund, click on it for more information. Review the projected returns and risks associated with the fund. After that, decide how much you wish to invest in the selected fund. Enter your investment amount and confirm your selection. Fundrise may request additional verification, so be prepared to upload identification documents if necessary. Once your investment is confirmed, monitor your portfolio by logging into your account regularly. Check for updates on property performance and fund distributions through the dashboard. Consider reinvesting dividends to maximize your returns over time. Engage with educational resources offered by Fundrise to enhance your understanding of real estate investing. Utilize the customer support features if you have any questions or need assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively connect with Fundrise and start your real estate investing journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.